Hi my infinite beings. In this video I'm going to share with you guys how I'm going to plan for 2020 like a boss. I know sometimes you just got to write things down and be efficient and stay on top of your stuff. So if you're like me, stay tuned for this video. So as you guys can see, I kind of had to like go back and write, what I did for New Year's Eve. And things that I did on New Year's Day. And basically this is how I plan. I have all of my stickers as I showed you guys, and I use the stickers to help. So if I have to record or post or anything, I'll just add that in. And then these stickers will just let me know what I have to do. Here I have my Mani Petty sticker because I'm going to be getting, I may push that up to get it done before this, but I'll see what she can do. If she can see me on Friday, then I'll go Friday, but if not, then I'll be getting my nails and feet done on Sunday. Usually what I'll do is I'll go in after this and add in the days that I'm going to work out for the week. So I add in those stickers I have here. I have some of these ones. If it's going to be a specific thing like cardio, or I'll add those in. Arms, I'll add those stickers in as well. Sometimes I'll just add like a little water bottle or a leg day or cardio. I'll add that in if I know what I'm going to do that day. If not, then I'll just add a gym sticker. Probably do cardio and then get my nails done, or get my nails done then go to the gym. Either or, they're right across the street from each other. So I added that here, and then I'll just go through and figure out what days during the week that I want to work out. See, I added in gym for this day. I will probably also be editing on this day after work. So yeah, you'll see that here. You can see I added post YouTube video, and then I like to put little cute things like make it shine, different things that'll keep me motivated. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna add a cool little sticker, and I like to do that because it keeps you going, it keeps you pumped, it keeps you motivated, and it lets you know that you're on the right track. See, I added my other gym day onto the agenda, and I have gym. I'm going to the gym on Thursday, Friday, and again on Sunday, which I have here. Now you guys will see me go in really quickly and just fill in everything I need to do that's, other than these things. So basically I have where I edit videos, do thumbnails, add closed captioning, end screens, post video. I have Cole Bursar. As you guys know, I will be starting grad school, so yeah, I had to call them and add closed captioning and end screens, do a thumbnail, post my YouTube video, and obviously you guys know I have an appointment for my daughter's elbow, and go to the gym, edit video, gym, do a thumbnail. So these are all things that I do after work, you guys. So I'm at work, and then when I get off of work, hit the gym, and then when I get home from the gym, I will edit videos, and then of course I have to still cook, do mommy stuff, my nighttime routine. That's not on here, but what I need to do or get done, and I like to put these little boxes because I'll check it off, and it just feels so rewarding to check off what you've done. But of course you have to make time for fun, make time for yourself. So I'll put in my, maintenance, my date nights and things like that. So then obviously I have like when I would get paid. So I have payday stickers, but I also have these money stickers here. So like say for instance I get extra money from whatever, I will put this money sticker here, and then I can write down like how much I got or receive, like whether it's through Cash App or whatever other things. And that's something you guys should do too. Like if you have side hustles or anything like that, you should calculate like how much you got paid and what day. Just keep a track of it. Sometimes it's very hard to keep track when you don't have actual stubs for this stuff. So just try to keep track of any extra money that you make on the side, especially like if it's not on the books or whatever, like if it's a freelancing or whatever, just keep track of what you're making. I have like stickers for anything related to my car, anything related to the dentist, anything that's important, I can put those. I love these stickers, you guys. I got these stickers at Dollar Tree. I'll go through and find the sticker that I need, and this helps me, you guys. This helps me to stay on track and get things done and make sure that I'm holding myself accountable, and even just to remind me of breaks. I have these, which is always good, or if we are going on vacation or whatever, you can use ones for that, parties, road trips. So this definitely helps with planning out your life, and we all need that. So yeah, that's pretty much how I plan and prepare for my months. I like these stickers too because they're very motivational, like keep going, take it easy. It reminds you to take it easy. Sometimes I need that reminder. These reminder stickers are cute. Even these coffee stickers, like I'll use these coffee ones and the other ones like on days that I treat myself to Starbucks, because I bring my own coffee and I make sure that I'm not overspending, because Starbucks is something I used to spend a lot of money on before. But I will treat myself every now and again. And now I actually have 2 gift cards from Starbucks from coworkers who got them for me for Christmas that I'm waiting to use. So I'm going to actually add that in because I'm going to treat myself to that this week as well. So yeah, definitely treat yourself and write that in. If it's a day that you're going to go shopping, you can put that in as well. Like I like to keep track and write everything that I'm going to be doing inside of my agenda. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you're gonna plan like a boss for 2020, because bosses have to be efficient. So make sure that's you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you want more things like this, and I'll do more things like this for you guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.